Okay, thank you, colleagues, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to join you today at the workshop. UNIDO provides support through the Georgia Laboratory Association under the framework of Eurachem. For those who are not familiar with UNIDO, we are the specialized agency of the United Nations mandated to promote and accelerate inclusive and sustainable industrial development in our 170 member countries. We are supporting our member states by helping them address the constraints and challenges in the process of industrialization, trade, and ultimately job creation through competitive enterprises and a better quality of life for our citizens to foster their advancement of this 23rd agenda for sustainable development and the related sustainable development goals. Supporting to quality infrastructure development, including metrology testing services, is one of the core services UNIDO provides to our member states to assist the public and the private stakeholders in their effort to improve quality assurance along value chains, trade competitiveness, and market access. As you know, UNIDO has been supporting Georgia, including its conformity assessment sector, through the Global Quality and Standards Program, GQSP. The GQSP is funded by the Swiss State Secretariat for Economic Affairs, SECO. It's a large-scale global program designed to promote systematic trade development along specific value chains by strengthening quality infrastructure institutions and service providers, enhance the compliance capacity of private sector actors, particularly SMEs, and creating a culture of quality among all stakeholders. So that's the vision of this global program. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, agriculture is one of the key sectors of Georgia's economy, bearing a great potential for exports. However, Georgia is still short of a sufficient capacity to prove compliance with market requirements, particularly those of the European markets, hindering the country from engaging more cross-border trade in a sustainable manner. Against this background, the Global Quality and Standards Program, GQSP, Georgia Country Project, aims to strengthen the capacity of conformity assessment bodies serving the fruit and vegetable value chains. So far, under the project, UNIDO has conducted the in-depth analysis of Georgia's fruit and vegetable value chain, particularly looking at the quality-related challenges and identify related capacity building needs. UNIDO also provided capacity building for testing laboratories to ensure quality infrastructure services are capable of proving compliance with the European market requirements. Currently, in a broader context and by using UNIDO's methodology on laboratory policy development, we continue supporting Georgia in defining the development needs of laboratory infrastructure and developing a roadmap in view of meeting the needs not only today, but also in the future, and serving the growing expert base of the country. Strengthening the Georgia Laboratory Association is a part of UNIDO intervention for sustainable enhancement of the Georgia laboratory infrastructure in terms of knowledge sharing, talent training, network building, and capacity upscaling. As of today, UNIDO has been providing support and services to the association in various areas, such as institutional setup, membership strategy, business plan development, and provision of services to laboratories, as well as the creation of a cooperative branding and a professional website, ultimately leading to membership engagement and enhanced service provision. Dear colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, the workshop today represents an important capacity building undertaking of the project. to address current practices, challenges, and propose future recommendations on quality assurance of measurement methods and their validation, including sampling-related issues. This workshop will be of direct relevance to anyone who is focused on the quality of analytical measurements and the reliability of decisions based on test results in accordance with international standards and requirements, taking into account the influences of factors that exist outside the laboratory environment. Without saying much, I wish you a fruitful discussion in coming 3 days and a great success of the workshop. Thank you very much.